about the good old days, all the love and the laughter and memories we made. Lord, I want to thank you for being there each day, with a family that believed in you and kept the faith along the way. Can't forget a love that's a part of you. Everything they done, Lord, they done for you. A loving heart and tears of joy whenever you look back. You can't replace a memory like that. Well, Lord, now I'm older. The years have come and gone. I can still hear the laughter all around our old home. And Lord, I want to thank you for being there back then. My family's waiting in heaven. We'll be together again. You can't forget a love that's a part of you. Everything they done, Lord, they done for you. A loving heart and tears of joy whenever you look back. You can't replace a memory like that. You can't replace a memory like that.